Hey Pepper Pizza Eaters, welcome back to the channel. Today we're having some delicious chili oil noodles. These are the Fly by Zhang brand. They're so delicious. And we're also gonna have some steamed dumplings. I'm just gonna get this nice and mixed up. Happy New Year! Oh my gosh, I cannot even believe 2025 already. It's absolutely bananas to like think that I started this channel 5 years ago. Like, it's wild, so wild. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this, guys. This is so fire, so excited. If you have not tried these noodles, they are Chinese style squiggly noodles. So they're really thick in the middle, thin on the edges, and they're so addicting, so good. They have like the tingly Szechuan peppers. They're so good. And those fermented soybeans too. So I'm gonna add my dumplings to my noodles. Excuse me. I've been craving this combination. I'm like really hungry too, so let's see if I can finish all my food. We'll see. OMG. These are the pork dumplings. So juicy. The Fly by Zhang chili oil is so good. Oh my god. Such a good combination. So we just really laid back at the house and relaxed for New Year's. Did you guys do anything fun for New Year's? These are so addicting. I want to say like these are some of the best chili oil noodles on the market right now. The quality, the quality is just chef's kiss. And if you guys want to try this brand, I'm gonna have it linked in the description. It's on my TikTok shop. It's so good. It's savory. It's so salty. Not salty, but like savory and enjoyable. A really authentic Szechuan flavor. Mmm. Whew. Definitely needed a drink. It was such a good idea. Adding these dumplings. Because like people put chili oil anyway on the dumplings. And when you add them to the dish, it soaks up all the goodness. My daughter and I did some funny stuff. So, on New Year's Eve, we were like, okay, what are we gonna do? Because I wanted to do so many of those like trends, like the grapes under the table and the lentils. Like I wanted the lentils and to do the grapes. So I was like on TikTok, like looking for the research, like, okay, do I do the lentils first, then the grapes, or do I do the grapes first, then the lentils? So there's a funny video of me like eating the grapes and then throwing the lentils on myself. I started eating the grapes at like 12:59:36. So like before the clock strikes, like I want to say like 12, you have literally a minute to chomp down 12 grapes. And yeah, needless to say, I got it. I did it. But we also took our suitcases outside and we started running with our suitcases too, to like signify like more travel and like, you know, getting up and like traveling more and all that stuff, because like that's what we really want to do this year, is to travel. And I believe that that is definitely in the cards for sure. so comforting. So good. Woo. That was so good. It was really like satisfying. And I love mukbang that I could like just think about, put together, like, and just do it. I think the more simplified my menu is, the better, because I just, you know, I can't do overcomplicated things. Otherwise my brain will just like not want to do it. But thank you so much for tuning back in. If you are new here, welcome to the fam. If you are returning after a while, welcome back. And until next time, my purple pizza eaters, peace. If you really want to try this, I'm recommending these noodles to everybody. That was my last pack. I'm going to order some more from her. This brand is female owned. It is not traditional, but it's personal. That's their catchphrase. And it is so good. The quality is just like nothing I've ever had before. But I'm gonna leave it linked in the video so that you guys can order from the TikTok shop. And peace.